In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain and hosting from GoDaddy in just a few easy steps. Whether you're launching a personal blog, a business website, or any online presence, starting with a reliable domain and hosting provider is crucial. GoDaddy is one of the most popular choices, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First, open up your preferred web browser and type in the GoDaddy website address, or you can simply search for GoDaddy in your search bar. Once there, you'll see a variety of options on the homepage. For today, we'll focus on securing both your domain and your hosting. Start by navigating to the hosting section, which you can find in the main menu towards the top of the page. Hover over it and click on Web Hosting. Now, you'll be presented with different hosting plans. These vary based on the features and capacity you need. GoDaddy often offers plans that include a free domain, which can be a great bonus if you're just starting out. Take a moment to review the plans available. You need to assess what best aligns with your needs. If you're unsure about the options, consider starting simple and upgrading later as your site grows. Once you've settled on a hosting plan, click Buy Now. This decision will take you to a section where you can choose a domain that comes free with many GoDaddy hosting plans. You'll type in your desired domain name to check its availability. If it's available, great, you can proceed, but if not, don't worry. GoDaddy will suggest alternatives that are similar. Once you find the one you're satisfied with, it's time to continue. Click Continue to Cart and you will be guided to review what's in your cart. Check everything carefully here. Verify the domain name and hosting plan details to make sure they match your expectations. Accuracy at this stage prevents headaches later on. Now, decide on your payment method. GoDaddy accepts a variety of payment options, including credit cards and PayPal, so pick the one that works best for you. Enter your payment information carefully to avoid any processing issues. Before making your purchase, you'll have an opportunity to review your order once more. Double check to ensure everything is correct. This is your last chance to make adjustments. When everything looks good, click Continue Purchase to finalize the transaction. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully purchased both a domain and hosting from GoDaddy. Your website journey is now officially underway. Thank you for following along today. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Good luck with your new website venture.